Alright, gentlemen, let's be real. If your mornings aren't what they used to be, and I think we both know what I mean here, you need to hear this. You're already drinking coffee every morning, right? But what if I told you that adding a few simple everyday ingredients to that cup could actually help your blood flow, energy, and yes, those morning situations that used to be a lot more reliable? I'm Dr. James Whitman, a urologist with 20 years of experience helping men over 50 regain their confidence, energy, and vitality. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn your morning coffee from just a wake-up drink into a natural performance booster without medications, expensive devices, or misleading gimmicks. Before we dive in, I have a small favor to ask. Like this video, hit the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, and share in the comments where you're watching from. That way, you won't miss any of these practical tips designed to help you reclaim your strength and confidence. Now, let's get to a fact that many people don't realize. After 45, a drop in morning performance isn't always caused by low testosterone. Of course, hormone levels matter, but more often than not, the real culprit is blood flow. As we age, arteries stiffen, nitric oxide production drops, and the tiny vessels that feed the penis start to narrow. A quick caffeine boost from regular coffee may give you temporary energy, but it doesn't fix the underlying issue. It's not a real solution. It's like slapping a patch on a leaky pipe. What you really need is premium fuel for your body, substances that simultaneously support hormone balance, circulation, and energy. Over the past 20 years, I've worked with thousands of men, soldiers, teachers, engineers, and there was one common feeling among all of them. They believed their best years were behind them. These power-restoring effects are hidden in simple daily foods and smart morning habits. Coffee is actually one of the biggest allies in this process, but we're doing it wrong when we drink it plain or with sugar. By doing so, we miss the chance to turn coffee into a tool for vascular and hormone health. The key is adding specific ingredients to your coffee at the right time in the morning to optimize your body's natural systems. Let's focus on 5 powerful additions you can mix into your coffee. I'll explain their biological, emotional, and practical effects so you fully understand what they're doing in your body. First, cinnamon, nature's blood sugar regulator. Right now, you're probably thinking, cinnamon and coffee together? But hear me out. Not all types of cinnamon are the same. What you need is Ceylon cinnamon, because it's low in coumarin and safe for daily use. Biologically, cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar, preventing sudden spikes and crashes. Why does this matter? High blood sugar is the first factor to damage the tiny arteries that feed the penis, vessels even thinner than a human hair. The polyphenols in cinnamon protect these vessels and support steady blood flow, the foundation of reliable erections. Emotionally, when your circulation is stable, your confidence returns. Worries like, what if it doesn't happen tonight, disappear because your body is functioning normally. Practically, start by adding 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon to your coffee each morning. This way, you'll enjoy a more stable energy flow throughout the day without the jitters or crashes often caused by caffeine. One of my patients, a 54-year-old engineer, told me that this simple change made a huge difference for him, turning the post-lunch slump into an entire workday full of energy. Second, ginger. This is rocket fuel for circulation. You can use it fresh or in powdered form. Biologically, ginger contains compounds that dilate blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and support testicular function. Research shows that daily ginger intake can boost testosterone levels and improve sperm count and motility. Emotionally, protecting testicular function helps you feel strong mentally and physically, because your body is working naturally and healthily. Practically, add a thin slice of fresh ginger or 1/4 teaspoon of powdered ginger to your coffee. Fresh ginger provides fast-acting essential oils, while powdered ginger offers longer-lasting benefits. Third, coconut oil. This acts as fuel for testosterone production. Yes, adding coconut oil to coffee may sound unusual, but its effects are powerful. Biologically, testosterone is synthesized from cholesterol and fats. Coconut oil provides medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which the liver rapidly converts into energy. As a result, you'll enjoy steady energy throughout the morning while naturally supporting testosterone production. Emotionally, when your energy levels are stable, your confidence naturally rises. You feel alert, strong, and fully ready to take on your day. Practically, add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil to your coffee and mix it with a blender or milk frother to get a creamy, latte-like texture. If your digestive system is sensitive, start with a small amount and gradually increase it. Fourth, cocoa powder. This naturally boosts nitric oxide levels. And yes, we're talking about pure, unsweetened, bitter cocoa powder, not hot chocolate mixes or sugar-laden blends. Biologically, cocoa is rich in flavonoids like epicatechin. These compounds increase nitric oxide, molecules that signal your blood vessels to relax and expand. After 60, nitric oxide production declines, but cocoa helps restore it naturally. This means stronger erections and improved blood flow throughout the body. Emotionally, improved circulation feels like flipping a switch inside your body. You feel alert, confident, and open again to both life and intimacy. Practically, just add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder to your coffee. It tastes like a sugar-free yet delicious mocha coffee. Plus, cocoa contains natural compounds like anandamide and phenylethylamine that elevate mood, so your brain feels as good as your body. Fifth, Maca powder, an adaptogen that supports hormone balance. Maca is an ancient Peruvian root, sometimes called natural Viagra, but it doesn't force blood flow like pills. Instead, it helps your body naturally boost its own hormone production. It contains 19 amino acids, magnesium, zinc, and unique compounds that support testosterone production and energy. Emotionally, men report feeling stronger, both mentally and physically, and more like themselves again. Practically, add 1 teaspoon of maca powder to your coffee 3 to 4 times a week. Its effects accumulate over 2 to 3 weeks. Maca has a nutty, malt-like taste that blends well with coffee. Yellow maca, gentle effects. Red maca supports prostate health. Black maca boosts energy. Be careful. Don't try all 5 additions on the first day. It can overwhelm your digestive system. Week 1. Start mornings with 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Week 2. Add 1 teaspoon of cocoa. Week 3. Maca powder, 1 teaspoon 3 times a week. Week 4. Coconut oil or ginger. Choose the one you like best. Track your energy, mood, morning performance, and workout results. You'll notice a difference in just 2 to 3 weeks, and after a month, this can become a permanent part of your morning routine. Pre-mix cinnamon and cocoa powder. Add a spoonful to your morning coffee. Ready in 5 seconds. Weekend power brew recipe. Coffee, 1 teaspoon coconut oil, ½ teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon cocoa, a small piece of fresh ginger. Blend them together. The result is a creamy, delicious, and highly effective drink. Gentlemen, your body hasn't given up on you. With just small, consistent changes, you can reclaim lost strength, energy, and intimacy performance. Even if you've struggled for years, men in their 60s, 70s, or even 80s can achieve real results with these simple, accessible ingredients. This isn't about chasing quick results. It's about supporting your body's natural systems, reclaiming your identity, and feeling alive again. So here's my challenge for you. Tomorrow morning, take your coffee to the next level with one of these ingredients. Start small, stay consistent, and see how your energy, circulation, and confidence transform. Drop a comment. What do you currently add to your coffee? And which of these ingredients will you try first? Share this video with a friend. Sometimes the best thing you can do for someone is share a simple tip that could change their life. If this video has shown you that your body is still capable of amazing things, click subscribe for real, honest, and actionable health advice for men over 50. No hype, just practical facts. Remember, age is not the end of vitality. Small, intentional steps you take each morning can completely transform your energy, circulation, and confidence. Stay strong, gentlemen. I'm Dr. James Whitman, reminding you, the best years of your life aren't behind you. They're starting right now.